Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram friend stories not showing. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if one of your friends posted a story on Instagram, but you can't view his story, well, the first reason, make sure that you haven't muted that person's story. And to see whether you've muted that person's stories or not, we're going to tap on your DMs at the top right corner. And now let's say, for example, this person posted a story, I can see his story, so I'm going to tap on the chat of this person. And now I'm going to tap on following. And as you see here, we got mute option. So here you can mute post stories and notes. And as you can see here, I've muted that person's stories. And that might be the reason why I can't see this person's story. Now, if you haven't used that specific person's story and you can't view their stories, well, here it might be because they've blocked you on Instagram. Because when someone blocked you on Instagram, then unfortunately you can't view their stories, their profile, posts, and everything. Another thing, they might be share this story with specific people and you're not included. So that's why you can't see their stories. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.